Hey, Bonnet Bears, it's me, Miss Cochran. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, I'm going to read an alphabet book to you. It's called ABC Fun, and it is written by Fanula Louise. This funny looking monster here will tell you all about the alphabet, and you will see him on every page. Look at the picture the monster is holding. Look at these pictures. What do you see? Apple, bear, cat. Why do you think these pictures are on the cover of this book? Yes, I think so too. Right? That the pictures say that things that begin with the A, B, C's. Let's look at the cover, the back cover of this book. Authors love writing things on the back cover, and it tells us what might be happening in the story. It says the alphabet. A is for apple and B is for bear. It's fun to name things that start with the letters of the alphabet. Are you guys ready? All right, let's get started. The alphabet begins with the letter A and ends with the letter Z. Each of these letters are letters that we're going to talk about in our story. The alphabet goes from A to Z. Let's look at things that start with each letter. Do you guys want to help me right now? Let's say our ABCs. Let's say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, apple. B, bear. C, cat. Have you noticed that different words have different number of letters in them? Let's look at this word. How many letters are in this word cat? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 letters in the word cat. D, dog. E, egg. F, fish. G, goat. H, hat. Look at this little silly monster. He is wearing the hat. I, iguana. Do you know what an iguana is? It is in a large lizard. Look at that large lizard. J, jar. K, kite. L, leaf. M, mouse. N, nest. O, octopus. Do you know what an octopus is? An octopus is a sea animal that has a soft, thick body, and it has 8 legs. Look at those 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. O for octopus. P, pig. Q, queen. R, ring. S, socks. T, T, turtle. U, umbrella. V, violin. W, window. X, X-ray. An X-ray is a special kind of picture that shows the inside of our bodies. This X-ray shows the bone in a hand. Look at that bone. Y, yarn. Z, zebra. The letter Z is the last letter in the alphabet. Name the things that start with each letter. I want you to read along with me, okay? We're going to say the letter and then the object that begins with that letter. A, apple. B, bear. C, cat. D, dog. E, egg. F, fish. Good. Help me out. G, goat. H, hat. I, iguana. J, jar. K, kite. L, leaf. M, mouse. N, nest. O, octopus. P, pig. Q, queen. R, ring. S, sock. T, turtle. U, umbrella. V, violin. W, window. X, X-ray. Y, yarn. Z, zebra. I like to have fun with the ABCs. Look at that cute little monster. He had a lot of fun with the alphabet today. Thank you for joining me. If you would like, I would love to see what letter your name begins with. Try to think, can you make a connection between the letter in your name and an object? Cochrane starts with the letter C. I could draw myself and a cat because we begin with the same letter. I can't wait to see yours. Bye.